Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yoast XML sitemaps for faster indexing step by step clearly. To begin installing Yoast XML sitemaps, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type Yoast SEO. Locate the Yoast SEO plugin in the results. Click the Install Now button next to the plugin. Once the installation is complete, press the Activate button. After activation, you will see a new option for SEO in your dashboard menu. Hover over the SEO option and select General. Navigate to the Features tab in the General settings. Scroll down until you find the XML Sitemaps option. Make sure the toggle is switched to On. To view your XML sitemap, click on the question mark next to the option. A prompt will appear with the link to your sitemap. Take note of the URL for future reference. If you want to customize your sitemap further, click on the Save Changes button. For additional configuration, head to the Search Appearance section under SEO. Select different content types to include in your sitemap as needed. Once adjustments are made, ensure you save any changes made. Your Yoast XML sitemap is now successfully installed and configured. This should lead to faster indexing of your website by search engines. Regularly check your sitemap to ensure all pages are included. Using Yoast SEO helps optimize your site for better visibility online. You have completed the installation of Yoast XML sitemaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.